Hi there and welcome to today's video. So the topic for today's video are the words would and could, because some students get them mixed up. But before we look at the words would and could, we have to look at a couple of other words, will and can, because these words are connected. And if you understand will and can, it's a bit easier to understand would and could. Okay, so let's start. If you've got a dictionary, it's a really good idea to check these words here. Certain and possible. Something you're certain about and something that's only possible, because that's what we're really dealing with here. We're talking about things which are certain and things which are only possible. So certain first. I will go to the beach. Here I've decided. I want to go, I will go, nothing will stop me. So when you make a decision, you can use the word will. I will go to the beach. I will go to the movies. Now let's have a look at the next idea. The next idea is what's possible. The word can here means able to do. It doesn't mean want to do. It just means that you're able. So if I'm able to go to the beach, it means I've got a car, I've got a motorcycle, I can go by bus, I can go by train. I'm able to go to the beach if I want to go to the beach. It doesn't say that I want to go, it just means I'm able to. So I can do other things also because I haven't made a decision. Okay, so that gives us will and can. Now let's have a look at the two target words for today, which is the would and the could. And these words are oftentimes used with this idea, if, and if again here. And we use if to show possibilities. When we don't know for sure, something may happen, something may not happen. So let's look at the first one, certain but. I would go to the beach if the weather gets better. So the person still wants to go to the beach, but something is stopping them doing it. So this would is a little bit connected to will or want. I would do it, but there's something in the way. In this situation, it's the weather which stops this person going. The other one here is possible but. Well, possible, can, could. I could go to the beach if the weather gets better, or I might go to the movies. So just like can, where I'm able to do something, could is connected to if I could go to the beach, but I could do many other things, because could is connected to possibility. And would and could are connected to the word if. When we don't know, when we're just thinking about things which maybe could happen, but maybe could not happen. So I'm hoping that just these 4 sentences give you a little bit more understanding about using would and could, and as an extra also the difference between will and can. And I'll see you in the next video.